Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use this bow drill fire starter. You're gonna take half of the tinder and put it under this fireboard. And you choose a hole and stab your feet on it. Then put on the spindle on the notch. And push with your one hand and pull this handle with another hand. You're gonna push it really hard and drill. And just keep doing this. Then you're gonna see the smoke comes out. Just keep drilling to get more ashes. Stop right here. Knock all the ashes on the tinder. And wrap it like a sandwich. And just blow through this hole. And you get a fire very easy.